What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka Mr. Multifamily, and just got my permits in order to do the electrical and the renovations for this property. So the day after you get your permits, you got to get ready. As you can see, we already got the electrical team out here. They're pulling some knob and tube out of the attic and replacing that with the proper electrical so that we can actually get everything approved when it's time to get this house ready to go. But day after you get your permits, you got to be ready. I got my entire to-do list here, about to knock these things out, just doing the final walkthrough before we actually go make all the orders of everything that we need. So come on in real quick. So what we're going to be doing with this particular property is we're likely going to leave the floors as they are. These are original floors right here. We're going to put that gentrification gray on all of the walls, paint the baseboards white, and so that's basic. The property was in good shape, so not much to do from that standpoint. Changing out all the ceiling fans, taking out this here. Oftentimes insurance won't allow you to have this kind of heater anymore, so we'll take that out. And then the biggest work is actually in the kitchen and the bathrooms, and that's where we're going to be doing a lot of the work. This is about a 13 by 12 kitchen here. Bathroom is 5 by 10. And so I spent some time really working out the kitchen layout. The way they had it laid out, didn't like it at all, it didn't flow. And so before we order the cabinets and get those orders placed, because there are some delays with the supply chain right now, we wanted to make sure we like the layout. So we're solid on that now. Some piping has to be moved in terms of the sink. So basically there's gonna be a cabinet here, sink here, and then a gas here, then the stove will be here, and then another cabinet there. And then on this wall, we'll take out this sink and we'll have cabinetry here, and then the refrigerator over here. This is gonna look totally different when it's done. And the bathroom layout won't change that much, but as you can see, there's some caving in on the floors right there. So we got to get some of that fixed from the bottom up. And then after that, we're going to take out that yellow tub, take out everything in here. This is going to be fully gutted, and then redo the entire bathroom with a nice little situation. So excited about this project. Right now, electricians are here, plumbers next. Then after that, we got the general contractor who's going to come in and do all the patchwork and everything like that, and start the paint job. And we're probably about 45 days out before we can get this ready to go. So I'm excited about this particular property. We're definitely about to step into equity. Definitely going to meet our cash-on-cash return when it comes to buying right. And there's definite appreciation potential. In fact, I own a fourplex not too far from here as well. So this is the name of the game. If you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com, multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this. Peace.